Falling in love can make your heart race, but is love actually good for your heart? I'm Dr. Sandra Ofori, a cardiologist and researcher at McMaster University. And with Valentine's Day coming up, let's talk about what science says about love and heart health. Large studies show that people with strong social relationships live longer and have better heart health than those who are socially isolated. A recent Canadian study found that nearly 8 in 10 couples-based interventions led to positive health behavior changes. Partners often help each other take medications, eat better, stay active, and seek care earlier. It's not just romantic love. Close relationships, friendships, and feeling connected all seem to matter. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that romantic love activates dopamine-rich reward centers in the brain and bonding hormones like oxytocin and vasopressin, while simultaneously dampening brain pathways that are linked to fear and social judgment. Positive relationships reduce chronic stress, which can be associated with lower blood pressure and heart rate. Feeling loved and supported can calm the body's stress response. Over the long term, that can translate into better cardiovascular health. Not all relationships are good for the heart. Chronic conflict or toxic relationships can cause psychological stress. Psychological stress is known to actually increase cardiovascular risk. It's the quality of connection that matters. This Valentine's Day, remember, love isn't a replacement for exercise or healthy eating, but strong, supportive, loving relationships can play a meaningful role in protecting your heart health. So maybe it really is about living well, laughing often, and yes, loving.